In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alert workflow in Smartsheet. If you want to stay updated when something changes in your sheet, setting up alerts is a simple and effective way to do it. Alerts can notify you or other people when rows are updated, when new entries are added, or when certain dates are reached. This is especially helpful for keeping projects on track without needing to constantly check the sheet manually. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want the alerts to happen. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before moving forward, since the workflow you create will apply specifically to that sheet. Once you have it open, look for the automation option in the top menu area and click it. This is where Smartsheet lets you build automatic actions like alerts, reminders, and approval requests. From there, select Create Workflow. This opens the workflow builder where you'll define exactly when the alert should be sent and who should receive it. The first thing you'll need to choose is the trigger. This is the event that causes the alert to go out. For example, you can set it to send an alert when a row changes, when a specific date arrives, or when a new entry is added to the sheet. Choose the option that best matches the kind of update you want to track. After selecting the trigger, choose who should receive the alert. Depending on your setup, this could be specific people, contacts listed in the sheet, or other relevant recipients. It's a good idea to double check this part so the notifications go to the right audience and avoid unnecessary messages. Next, customize the alert message if needed. Smartsheet often provides a default message, but adjusting it can make the alert clearer and more useful. Try to keep the message direct and specific so recipients immediately understand what changed and why they're being notified. Once everything looks right, save the workflow. After saving, test the alert workflow to make sure it works as expected. A quick test helps confirm that the trigger fires correctly, the right people receive the alert, and the message appears the way you want. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the workflow settings. That's it. Once your alert workflow is active, Smartsheet will automatically send notifications based on the rules you created, helping you stay organized and informed with less manual effort.